welcome back to a new video of Ultimate Riders. So today we are going to show how to make free-house front suspension shock absorbers. So watch till end, don't miss anything. So let's start this video. So here we are using WD-40, and first thing we should clean this oil marks. You can see over here, black color oil marks. First we need to clean with a dry cloth. Chalo. Even same side we should do even that side, like cleaning. You should clean this oil marks first thing with a dry cloth. So after that we can apply this WD-40 over here. So you can see over here this place. First we need to first we'll show how the suspension is working. So this much this suspension is working. So let's see after applying this WD-40. So even this side will apply. So we'll leave this for some time. We can apply even to this child, like everywhere where you want to make the parts loose. So check out here. See how smooth the suspension was. You can see these marks, black oil marks. It removes dirty oil. You can see how smooth the suspension is working over here. So now we should leave this for some time. You can see our new stickers of Ultimate Riders. In recent video we cut this. Even on the mudguard, on the front handlebar, cockpit. See, you can see this oil marks, same side. So even we'll apply this to chain. Come on. So here we are looping chain. So you can see over here the oil marks on this side. You can see oil drops. How clean it's going. So that we can pedal easily. The chain will be clean. You can see the whole grease or oil something totally roaming down. And you can see the suspension over here. A roll. So we need to clean this over here, this oil marks, with a dry cloth. Make sure it should be a dry cloth. Even this side. All the dirty oil, we are removing it. You can see over here the chain coil niche gir gaya. So it's getting better. So you can lube the chain with this WD-40. After that you can apply oil whatever you want. Settle. Change the gas. You can see this how smooth it's going. You can see the front delay how smooth it's going. So you can see over here. See how Here you can see how smooth the chain got. It's going to be a silver color. So the chain color is black. So watch till end, don't skip any parts so that you can get how to loop our chain and the suspension, how to make free suspension when you can apply over here so that the parts will get loose. In the front derailleur. So we are removing all dirty oil from this. You can see how it gone. So clean. So clean the chain. You can see the front suspension now. You can see front suspension, how smooth you got. So it's working so good. You can see the sound.